Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, let's start our science class. And our today's chapter is Structure of the Atom. Structure of the atom. Before starting this, I want to tell you that the previous chapters of chemistry that we have discussed, that was the first one chapter of chemistry is matter in our surroundings, in which we have discussed about the physical classification of matter, that matter is of three types: solid, liquid and gas. In the second chapter is matter around us pure. We have discussed about the chemical nature of matter, that is that matter may be pure, may be impure. Impure, that means it is mixture. Pure, that means it may be element, it may be compound, as we have already discussed, so I will not go in detail of that topic. So in this chapter we will discuss about the particular nature of the matter, internal nature. So as in the previous chapter we had discussed that all matter, whether an element, a compound or a mixture, that is composed of small particles called atoms. तो चाहे वो आपका एलिमेंट है, चाहे वो कंपाउंड है, चाहे वो एक मिक्सचर है, चाहे वो कोई भी है इनमें से, बट वो किससे मिलके बना हुआ है? एटम्स से मिलके बना हुआ है. It is just like that. In biology, you discussed about that all organisms are basically made up of cell. So cell is the basic unit. In the case of the in construction area, we can say that every building is made up of bricks. So brick is a basic unit. In the same manner, when we discuss about the matter, any matter, even it is solid, liquid, gas, element, compound, mixture, any form of matter, but every form is made up of small particles, and these small particles are called atoms. So a scientist, John Dalton, John Dalton gave some postulate about the atoms, and these postulates are known as Dalton's atomic theory. That means John Dalton एक साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने एटम के बारे में कुछ बातें बताई थी, और उनको हम बोलते हैं Dalton's atomic theory. The very first point, all matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms, which participate in a chemical reaction. That means हर मैटर टाइनी पार्टिकल्स का बना हुआ है, और यही टाइनी पार्टिकल्स किसी केमिकल रिएक्शन में पार्ट प्ले करते हैं. एटम्स आर इनडिविजिबल पार्टिकल, एटम को डिवाइड नहीं किया जा सकता. विच पार्टिसिपेट इन केमिकल रिएक्शंस, जो एटम किसी केमिकल रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं तो उन्हीं एटम्स को आप डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. Atoms of a given elements are identical in mass and chemical property. एक एलिमेंट के जितने भी एटम्स होंगे वो सब आइडेंटिकल, मतलब कि एक जैसे होते हैं, चाहे वो मास हो चाहे उनकी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी हो. Atoms of different elements have different masses and chemical properties. Different element के atoms different होंगे. For example, if you are having an element sodium and the another element iron, so all the atoms of sodium are similar because these are the atom of same element, but atom of sodium and the atom of iron, these are different because these are the atoms of different element. Next point is atoms combined in the ratio of small whole number to form compound. Atoms जब combined होते हैं, in the previous chapter we have discussed that a group of atom is called molecule, in which they are chemically combined. But when they form molecule or when they form compound, then they combined in the ratio of small whole number. Means ऐसा कभी नहीं होता half atom मिल जाएगा, हाफ एटम कभी नहीं मिलता, वो स्मॉल होल नंबर में पूरे के पूरे एक एटम है, एक ही एटम साथ में जुड़ेगा। The relative numbers and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. किसी भी कंपाउंड को बनाने के लिए कितने कितने एटम और कौन कौन से एटम कंबाइंड होने हैं, इट इज ऑलवेज अ कांस्टेंट थिंग, ये हमेशा फिक्स है। फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ I will tell you water, then it is fixed then that in water hydrogen and oxygen is present. Second thing, two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen is present. So this thing is always fixed. So the relative number कितने atoms जुड़ने हैं and the kinds कौन कौन से atom जुड़ने हैं किसी भी compound को बनाने के लिए, that is always fixed. So this was the theory that was given by John Dalton, and that's why it is known as John Dalton's atomic theory. This theory I will also discuss with you in chapter number 3. अच्छा, ये एक बात तो मैंने आपसे बोली नहीं है, ये चैप्टर जो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम है, दिस चैप्टर इज बेसिकली चैप्टर नंबर 4, और चैप्टर नंबर 3 जो है वो है एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल। बट चैप्टर नंबर 4 में कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट्स हैं, कुछ ऐसे डाउट्स हैं जो आपको चैप्टर नंबर 3 करने से पहले क्लियर करने चाहिए। तो इसीलिए मैंने चैप्टर नंबर 3 स्टार्ट ना करा के पहले चैप्टर नंबर 4 स्टार्ट कराया है, so that all the doubts can be easily cleared, and then we will move to the chapter number 3 after completing the chapter number 4. So basically this Dalton's theory is a part of chapter number 3. But before starting this chapter, I think it is very important for you because we are discussing about the atom. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि एटम की प्रॉपर्टीज क्या क्या है। चलिए, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, चार्ज्ड पार्टिकल्स इन मैटर, ये हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में पढ़ेंगे। आज के लिए बस इतना ही।